Hi, Thomas and Gordon. It's Grandma here. We're going to have the story Peppa's Windy Fall Day. It's not fall right now, is it? It's a windy fall day and Peppa and her family are going to the park. Let's put on our warm clothes, says Mummy Pig. When it is cold outside, Peppa and her family wear their hats, scarves, and coats. In the car, Daddy Pig turns on the heater. Is everyone nice and warm? Daddy asks. Vroom, vroom. Yes, Daddy Pig. Off they go. Soon, Peppa and her family are in the park. Why are all the leaves red and yellow? Peppa asks. In the fall, it gets colder and the leaves change color, says Mummy Pig. Daddy Pig has a ball. Let's play a game to keep warm. He kicks the ball to Peppa. My turn, cries Peppa. Peppa kicks the ball to George. Hee hee hee. They're having fun out there, aren't they? Now it's George's turn, but the wind blows the ball away. It's not supposed to go that way, cries Peppa. Peppa and George chase the ball. Uh-oh, the ball has rolled off the way into a pond. The ducks can see it. Look at the ducks. They're quack, 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 quack. See that one there? He's saying quack. Don't worry, says Daddy Pig. I'll use the stick to get the ball. Daddy reaches out as far as he can. Is he going to be able to do it? Hope he doesn't fall in. Just a little bit further, Daddy, says Peppa. Please be careful, Daddy Pig, says Mummy. Daddy Pig reaches out too far. He falls into the pond. Oh, sploosh, silly Daddy Pig. Poor Daddy Pig. Hopefully he doesn't get too cold. Luckily, the wind begins to blow again. The wind blows the ball out of the pond. Well, that's good. It's getting windier, says Mummy Pig. Hold on to your hats, Peppa and George. Peppa holds on to her hat, but George does not hold on to his. Whoosh! Away goes George's hat. You see what George is doing there? The wind blows George's hat up into a tree. How will we get George's hat down? Asks Peppa. Simple, says Mummy Pig. I'll give the tree a shake. Shake, shake, shake. Oh dear, Mummy Pig shakes the tree a bit too much. Thwump. All of the leaves fall on top of her. Where did George's hat go? Mummy Pig asks. It's on your head, Peppa laughs. See? Right on top of her hat. The wind blows and blows. Look, Daddy, I'm leaning into the wind, cries Peppa. Ooh, look at them. The wind is strong enough to hold up Peppa and George. It is even strong enough to hold up Daddy Pig. After a while, the wind stops. What can we do now? Peppa asks. What is your favorite game? Asked Daddy Pig. Jumping up and down in muddy puddles, says Peppa. But there aren't any, only leaves, just dry leaves. Crunch, crunch, crunch. And what do we do with the dry leaves? Asked Daddy. Snort. I don't know, says Peppa. Jump up and down in them, says Daddy Pig. Everyone loves jumping up and down in dry leaves. This has been the best fall day ever, says Peppa. Look at all the pigs having fun in the leaves. And that is the end.